Going digital is the difference between this and this. I'll show you how. So the first thing that we need to do is separate our documents. We've got a keep pile and a scan and trash pile. The keep pile has important original documents in it, like certificates, birth certificate, marriage certificate, certificates that you receive from your education, things that you can't get copies of easily that you shouldn't be throwing away. Then you've got the scan and trash pile. So that's the pile that has like receipts and invoices, important letters that you want to keep and you can scan, but you can also throw them away if need be. And also things like work files as well. On your device, portable storage device or online storage, you'll want to create a filing system that works best for you so that you can find your files easily. I start with categories and then I break them down into year and then month if there's too many documents of that type. Once you've done that, move on to step 3. It's time to start scanning your documents. You can scan these at home, at the library, or even on your app on your phone called CamScan. Works pretty good actually. This is where we can finally start transferring documents from physical to digital. Now it's going to ask you to save them, so you want to have a space to save them, which is obviously your portable device or online storage, and then it will ask you where you want to put it, which will obviously be the filing system that you've created. Make sure that you title your files so that they're easy to find. I always title my files by the original document name and the date that it was received or written. And then I double check that I've definitely saved it before I discard. Once you've finished and double checked that you've got all your documents, you can then recycle it, give it to your kids to scribble things or make things out of it, or you can simply throw it away. The last thing for you to do is set aside a time, say once a month, to go through your recent documents and scan those so that you can keep on top of all the clutter. And congratulations, you're document free! Yeah! I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. You're an adult, and I will see you in the next one. Won't we, Mana? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.